Falling, tripping. Explosion. Plane, you can't use your hands.
Can't use your hands.
Helicopter.
Can I steal?
Helicopter.
Drone.
Yeah.
Go. Scooter. Oh, horse.
Unicorn.
Reins.
Dad's stealing.
You can red nose.
Rocking horse.
Yes. Oh my God.
Coming down from the 20-foot high tree.
Oh my God, do you see this? Is it actually?
Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
I just clicked on that thing.
How was it post terrible?
Made it to Camp Connell. We're getting some general store. Bless your heart.
Yo, how's the rip?